to this session of income tax calculation for house rent. In India, when you rent out your property, you must pay the tax on the house rent income. However, there is a provision of 30% of standard deduction from the net rent. Now, the net rent that is calculated is the gross rent that you receive minus any taxes such as local body taxes such as municipal taxes, and then on this net rent income only 70% is taxable, 30% is a standard deduction. If you pay house loan interest on your property which is let out, then you can deduct that too, and then you get the final income of rent, and then which you can add it to your other income from other sources and income from salary and so on, if any salary income is there, and then that is how you come up with the final income. So it's crucial to calculate this income so that you report your income correctly, accurately to the government, and avoid any notices or any scrutiny or any errors in your income tax return filing at the end of the financial year. So let's head on to the website and click on Tools, House Rent Income Calculator. This is a easier to use form that you can use. Imagine your gross rent received is say 3 lakh, municipal taxes of 5,000, your net annual is 2,95,000. The 30% deduction is applied on it, so only 70% is charged. However, if you again have an interest of say 1 lakh from the interest paid is 1 lakh, then that also is deducted from the net annual value, and you get the total value as 1 lakh 6,500. So this is the final calculation that you can have. But if you don't have any interest, then on the let out property, rented property, then it becomes 2 lakh 6,500. So this is a very simple to use calculator, and you can play around with it, changing the values and so on. So it's crucial to calculate this income so that if your rented out property has a high rent and you receive a significant amount of gross rent in the financial year, it is important to report this income in your income tax return filing. And this needs to be done irrespective of the form that you use, ITR 1, 2, 3, 4. And this income is then calculated in the manner that is shown. If you have any questions, you can always contact us for any questions that you have. And I hope you enjoyed this video. So very simple calculation that, and this income calculator can be used without any hassles. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and thank you very much.